Hey everyone, welcome back to iConcept Phones. Today we're taking a closer look at the Yottamaster S25 Pro SSD. Many thanks to Yottamaster for providing us this unit. So let's jump right in. Installing the S25 Pro is super easy. Simply slide it into your laptop's 2.5-inch HDD or to say SSD bay or mount it in your PC with a compatible bracket. Connect the SATA and power cables and you're good to go. Quick, hassle-free and ready for action. The Yottamaster S25 Pro is a 2.5-inch SATA 3 SSD that supports read speeds of up to 560 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 450 megabytes per second. It features 3D NAND flash technology, ensuring durability and reliability over time. Unlike most bare metal HDDs or plastic SSDs, the S25 Pro boasts a sleek modern design with an aluminum housing, making it a stylish addition to any PC build. Using Crystal Disk Mark, the S25 Pro clocked a maximum read speed of 350 megabytes per second and a write speed of 270 megabytes per second. It also runs cool, maintaining a steady temperature of around 37 degrees Celsius during operation. This makes it a great choice for office or any task that requires fast and reliable storage. The S25 Pro is compatible with both PCs and laptops, as long as they support 2.5-inch SATA drives. If you're upgrading a laptop, make sure it has a 2.5-inch HDD or SSD bay. For desktops, you'll need a free SATA port and a bracket to mount it if your PC case doesn't have a dedicated slot. Now let's talk about pricing. The Yottamaster S25 Pro comes in 3 different capacities to suit your needs. 128GB for just €11.99, 512GB for around €31.99, and the 1TB for €59.99. All purchase links are available in the video descriptions below, so be sure to check them out. In conclusion, the Yottamaster S25 Pro is a good 2.5-inch SATA 3 SSD for anyone looking to upgrade their storage. With its 3D NAND flash support and sleek aluminum finish, it's a great choice for boosting your system's performance and giving your setup a stylish touch. Whether you're using it for gaming, video editing, or even as external storage for devices like the Atomos Ninja V external monitor for ProRes recording or high-resolution recording, the S25 Pro has got you covered. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting tech reviews. See you in the next one.